Before you spend a single dime on web hosting, you need a solid foundation. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to plan before you pay to save money and launch your website the right way. This is a trap almost every beginner falls into, buying web hosting too early. You get excited, purchase a plan, and suddenly you're drowning in technical jargon like DNS, cPanel, and SSL, leading to wasted money and a project that stalls before it even starts. But what if you had a free brainstorming partner to help you map everything out first? By using an AI assistant like ChatGPT, you can define your website's exact purpose, plan your content, and figure out your real technical needs, all before you open your wallet. We're going to follow a simple three-phase blueprint. First, we'll establish your website's identity. Second, we'll design its core structure. And finally, we'll translate that plan into the right technology. By the end, you'll have a final blueprint that makes buying hosting easy. Let's start with phase 1, locking in your identity. You'll ask the AI to help you connect 3 key puzzle pieces: the purpose, defining why your site exists; the audience, defining who it's for; and the goals, defining what success looks like for you. Next up, phase 2, building a lean structure. The biggest mistake is building too many pages too soon. We'll have the AI suggest the minimum useful setup, like a home, about, and contact page, and help you outline your first 10 content ideas. This content-first approach ensures you're building a site with real value from day one. Now for phase 3, translating your ideas into technology. Not every website needs a complex engine. Based on your plan, the AI can act as a translator, telling you if you actually need things like WordPress or a database, while confirming essentials like an SSL certificate and an easy-to-use control panel. To make this incredibly simple, here are the AI cheat codes. You can literally copy and paste these prompts into your AI assistant for each phase. They're designed to ask you the right questions and guide you toward a clear, actionable plan. With your plan complete, it's time to match it to the right hosting. As a beginner, you can immediately rule out complex options like VPS or cloud hosting. Your AI-generated plan will confirm that simple, affordable shared or WordPress hosting is all you need to get started. To avoid getting overwhelmed, use this priority board. The tasks in the Do Now column are all you need to focus on before buying. Technical steps like connecting your domain and enabling SSL happen after you buy. And advanced features can wait until much later. A crucial warning: don't let the AI drive the car. It's your guide, not your replacement. Avoid asking vague questions, don't let it talk you into advanced hosting you don't need, and always make sure the final website sounds like you. And here is your final check. When you can confidently fill out this entire blueprint, from your site's purpose and audience to its technical needs and hosting type, you are officially ready to buy. Congratulations, you've just saved yourself time, money, and a massive headache.